of the local dialect that this mistake is occurring, those must be rectified. That has to be rectified. So let us see what response they will give. We will grant them 1 day time. Tomorrow or day after.
No, sir. What happens, sir, ultimately, in practical, ERO has no power now. They have superseded all the power from DO, ERO, BLRO. Only they have appointed 8,300 micro observer and the role observer from the BJP rule state, so that DO cannot clear the name. It is all micro observer can delete all the names sitting inside the election commission office through AI. Sir, earlier 58 lakhs are being deleted. Even they were not allowed to file Form 6. Sir, earlier first phase, 58 lakhs deleted. There so many people are alive, and now they are being declared by that their death. Sir, the anti-women, so many women.
Madam Mamta, if need arises, we will mandate it, we will direct. Every document will have to be signed by the BLO, who are the authorized officers and who are the authorized notified officers.
Kindly see the directions in the website, Millers.
Don't
So
think
far
that
as the so-called micro observer.
Micro observer is the final authority. Election Commission, WhatsApp Commission. WhatsApp Commission is saying it is only the micro observer. Only they are deleting all the names.
Millers, they could certificate on record.
May I just take you?
They are all Government of India officials.
My lords,
They are-
even
Lord, in one of the matters, government is a party. Lord, let
But the problem is that they are not allowing the people.
the matter
They are not allowing the
legal domain
state officials.
possibly for most of the
They
submission.
are not allowing the domicile certificate.
Day after.
They are not allowing the government certificate.
let that be a direction, Millers. We should be served the copies.
May I just highlight? two
I
points?
have something.
Yeah,
to
I
say
just
about
want to
this.
highlight 2 points. If your lordship would just take up, I want to save time, so just go to my note for a moment. Just go back
But
to.
I want to intervene
There
for 1 minute, Lord, if Lordship permits, Lord. We have written several letters to the state government to give us Group B, Lord, the class 2 officers of the rank of SDM or equivalent, so that, Lord, EROs can be appointed. That's the standard pattern, Lord, that they should be class 2 officers because they decide vital rights, papers and all.
No, that has
Now
been given.
they have given, Lord, only about 80 officers of that rank. Rest, all of them were given who were clerks and below, who were working under the pressure of the state government. Therefore, we had to appoint, Lord, micro observers who can assist, Lord, in case, Lord, they are in the confusion. So the fault lies with them in not giving us class 2 officers for performing the job of AERO and ERO. So that's the reason why this is happening. And these micro observers are validly appointed under Section 13C, read with 3.
No, there is no statutory rules.
My learned friends are not right, Lord, that they are not, we are not entitled to appoint them. If this is the state of affairs, which is not contemplated by the rules and the state is not cooperating, then there's no alternative except to appoint the observers who can assist. Class 3 officers from Anganwadi and so on, they are being given to us. So that's
And
the
this is the
reason why
communication.
assistance.
Lord, there is only one.
But they are not assisting.
There is
They are
one,
taking
Lord, one,
They are
Lordships
taking
have
decisions, not
one
assisting.
side of the story. May be true, may not be true, I'll not go into it.
If-
So there is one more petition where the Election Commission of India has filed an affidavit.
Bhul
So
bhul.
that also may be taken on record. It's not listed on board. It was mentioned by Mr. Giri. Lord, I am appearing in that matter and I have read the affidavit. Lord, that also will have some bearing, my Lord, in ultimately what your Lordship passes the order.
And we have highlighted all the
Can I just-
difficulties we have been facing, Millers.
My lord, my lord, my lord.
My Lord, it is pointed out the
May I
hostility.
just
which
have
is
1
there.
minute? I just
One of all
want to
observers are
highlight.
A
assisting.
victim, that's all, my Lord. I am saying let us confine.
Ultimately, we
No,
will
no.
ask them to at least 2 days time we'll have to give
Yes,
to them
yes.
to seek their response.
Sir, matter is not correct, sir.
Survey copy, Millers.
But fair enough.
It Ramaka-
What I'm highlighting is
There
just
is no
2 things so
problem.
that your lordship sees them.
Let me say this, Lord, there's no problem of time,
The
Lord.
first
Have
point-
some buffers if there is
अरे भाई এটা
more than 1 crore already heard. And if somebody is not heard, your lordships are there and
We
our
will grant it.
power is there.
We have been
to
extending
expand it
time.
by a-
We have been extending time. We have been.
My lords have passed a slew of directions.
Yes, sir.
My lordship,
Every
my
aspect-
lordship with my humble regards. May I tell you, sir,
Whatever they have pointed out
my
and my-
opponent lawyers raised.
that.
Sir, sir, that is not correct.
Madam
That is not correct, sir.
Madam Mamta, we have no doubt about the ability of Mr. Diwan. He is he is one of the best counsel, senior counsel you have chosen.
Yes,
Let him
with his
assist us
permission.
on your behalf.
With his permission, sir, only one thing, sir.
Your point we have well taken.
Sir, it depends on some district,
Kindly
some
give
states,
us
sir.
the-
We have suppose 44 district. We have 23 district. Now SDM is depends on the district wise. Now whatever we have the strength, we have included all.
Alright,
We are
you-
cooperating to them
are you
all.
prepared- are you
Micro,
prepared to provide class to group?
yes, we have given, sir. Whatever they ask,
Alright.
we have given. But they are totally, they are telling
All right, please.
what I don't believe.
I think we will be able to find out a practical solution.
Very well.
On Monday, when we take up this matter, we are granting them 2 days time to have instructions based upon these, all the notes and information which you have gathered.
Very well.
And you also on Monday, please give us the list of the group B officers which you are in a position to spare
Yes.
and to provide to them for their
Furnish it in
assistance.
advance.
So that,
And your lordships may list that matter also because
Yes.
there is direct bearing on that.
ICT
There is an atmosphere of hostility, election commission says.
And it contains all our communications
Yes,
to the
but with
government,
written
trying for
communication
help.
issued contemporaneous.
issue notice.
Lords,
Just a-
I have
just a
one apprehension, that's all I have. I don't want Mr. Dwivedi coming on Monday and saying, now we have finished 1.2 crore hearings as a figment of his.
It's all right.
Numbers.
We are entitled to our defense.
That's what we're saying.
That's an ongoing exercise that will continue.
Sir, only my last submission, sir. Sir, what about they have only first phase 58 lakhs deleted. They didn't have any scope to appeal even Form 6. Number 2, the second phase, 1 crore 30 lakhs. Only my request would be, whatever the system is maintaining the other state, they are only targeting Bengal. Only for Bengal, they appointed these micro observers.
Not the forum millets.
Yes,
Plate-
for to bulldoze the West Bengal people. Sir, my humble submission will be, sir, the logical discrepancy case not to be deleted. And there should be, as it is, it should be cleared by the DO and the ERO, not with the micro observer, not with the roll observers.
Millets, they
Because the-
as well see your lordship's directions on the last occasions.
So give us the list of the officers whom you can spare.
Yes.
Whom you can spare.
Yes.
Probably, once the officers are made available.
Yes.
Then micro observer will not be
May
required.
not be necessary, absolutely.
Millets will
Yes.
Yes, absolutely.
Can do it.
whatever the
And on
role they
Monday
are
itself,
playing.
we are taking up the matter on Monday. Meanwhile, they will also get instructions and you also give us that list.
Very well.
Mr. Diwan, please ask your junior to give
Yes.
complete set of paper book.
Of course.
In both matters will.
Both matters. And in Mr. Gopal's matter,
To item
he is
37.
Yes.
very learned in.
Sir, with my humble regards, I convey my great regards
Personal fame.
and I will just tell, save democracy.
1 minute, madam.
Joy
Save
Goswami,
democracy.
he is a renowned author, Jnanpith Puraskar awardee. There might be some mistake, please, you tell your officers also to be a little bit sensitive.
We'll examine millets.
Don't issue notice
Millets.
to persons like.
We have never been divorced from common sense.
And unnecessarily embarrassed.
We are addressing
Only
them.
some
If they
extra
want
time
to
is
make
required to
sensationalism,
spend.
that's
No,
it.
just one last thing I want to flag. When we argued the merits in Bihar, your lordships noticed this logical inconsistency, etc., were not issues there. The problem is, every time a new state comes up, there will be a new issue which has absolutely no constitutional.
Every day
legal
changing the decision.
State may have
So
its
now
own
after
problems,
this, it will
as
come
they have
up.
been creating.
New issue.
Gopal,
Yes,
every state will have some new issue.
Exactly.
It is bound to be also.
But
because-
it has to have a legal basis. Without a legal basis, they can't start examining something which is not from the
if
draft
the
roll
state
at all.
government fights a constitutional
issue
body,
notice-
what could be the legal
Issue
basis?
notice in both the matters. Issue notice, then assisting counsel wants to accept notice in behalf of the Election Commission of India, wants to accept notice on behalf of the Chief Electoral Officer West Bengal. Then say we have briefly heard Sir Shri Shyam Diwan and Gopal Sankarnayan, then senior counsel on behalf of the petitioners. And Sir Mr. Dwivedi and Rakesh Dwivedi and Mr. Naidu, then senior counsels representing the Election Commission of India. During the course of hearing, it is pointed out by learned solicitors of India that there is another petition hearing number so and so, and the issues raised therein or the affidavit filed by Election Commission of India will have some bearing on the merits of these cases. Consequently, that order, petition is also ordered to be taken up along with these cases on Monday, due to date of the Monday. The parties shall have respective instructions on the date fixed.
Great.
Take up on Monday.
Monday.
Great.
Great. Kunal.
Thank you.
Sir, we are very grateful, sir, for
Madam,
no, of
that-
course, sir. Of course, sir, please protect the people's rights.
कर दे।